Alright, so today my friend his KWA MP9. So today's we're unboxing it. He kind of already opened it, but I'm gonna show the world, I guess. So it's Will's gun here, which I helped him. He's a beginner in airsoft, and so he wanted more realism, something that would fit his size since he's a really small kid. So yeah. Full auto, semi-auto, folding stock, and then built-in foregrip and a little hole for your thumb, built-in iron sights, and then big orange muzzle, little guard right here, protect your hands from going up to the barrel. Ambidextrous selector. There's the button you press to take the mag out. It's a free fall mag, so yeah. Slide release, so when the slide gets pushed back, press this down and it pushes it forward. Extra rail right here for, I don't know, a flashlight or a little laser. He also got the aim red dot sight for a real steel weapon. And so, also, WE Tech 4,000 rounds of 0.2 gram BBs. So here's a red dot sight. Could be green. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Or you can change it to red.
Yeah.
And then each magazine holds 48 rounds. He got an extra magazine. It's pretty big, all metal. And then it came with, we bought this from E-Like, and they gave us this thing. It says 17% off coupon code. Lasts until October 31st, 2011. Awesome E-Like, all capitals. Owner's manual. KWA warranty, which covers for like 45 days. We bought the propane adapter, so we're gonna go buy some propane today and later on do a shooting test. And also just for fun and use my friend's UHC revolver with the propane, which kind of sucks though. It's only got 5 shells out of 6. So yeah. And we put on the red dot sight for y'all here. This red dot sight is especially hard to put on. So he's got the black edition with the built-in foregrip, the KMP9. Later on, sometime in a week or two, I will be getting my own KWA KMP9 but I am getting the Ranger green version. But same red dot sight and everything else, except I'm gonna have 2 more magazines. I mean, 1 more magazine than he does, and then we will play. This may sound wrong, but we'll play our stuff together, and we'll tone with these TMPs. Like, well, this is MP9, but what most people know is the TMP off of Modern Warfare 2. So this is what it would look like with the red dot sight and everything. It's kind of hard to see because this is where the laser actually ejects. And you can adjust how bright you want the laser. And then, yeah.
On top.
Huh? So, yeah, that's it. Stop it. But I just don't get it.
What?
I'm not gonna do it.